Standing at the edge of something new, holding dreams you've carried through. A quiet line forms beneath the sky, hope and wonder rising high. Steps you take feel brave and clear, even as the unknown draws near. With every breath you start to see a doorway into who you're meant to be. Crossing into a place that calls your name, ready for a life that won't remain the same. Carrying your heart through an open gate, learning how to trust in a brand new fate. A gentle shift as your world expands, holding courage softly in your hands. Every change becomes a chance to grow, leaving behind what you used to know. New voices echo in the air, guiding you toward paths more fair. Though challenges rise along the way, you find your strength day by day. With every step you break through fear and walk into a future drawing near. Crossing into a place that calls your name, ready for a life that won't remain the same. Carrying your heart through an open gate, learning how to trust in a brand new fate. A gentle shift as your world expands, holding courage softly in your hands. A new beginning waits just past the door.